Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to view the edit history in Google Docs. So let's start the video. First, open the document in Google Docs that you want to check. Now click the file from the top menu, and from here go to version history and then click on see version history. You can also use a shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H on your keyboard. The version history panel will open on the right side of your screen. In the version history panel, you will see a list of previous versions along with the date and time they were saved. If your document has been edited by multiple people, you will see who made each changes. Click on any version to preview what the document looked like at that time. The changes are highlighted in different colors. If you want to go back to a previous version, simply open that version and then click on these three dots and click on restore this version. So that's how you can view the edit history in Google Docs. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.